This is the reality of an automatic rain detector. This is a small house with your door, that's your roof, and those are just locally made. Those are razor blades, but in practice we have sensors that detect that, but this one we use razor blade. Razor blades can also detect the process. We have our battery, the switch, and we have the buzzer. So this project helps in the time of maybe you have your dress outside and you're in the house. We have some houses that that when rain is falling, you cannot easily know when rain is falling. Maybe you have put something important outside that you have to remove. So this project helps when the rain is falling, as there are droplets of rain on this razor up here at the roof of your house, or maybe anything you can put out there. It must not necessarily be at the roof of your house. It's going to send signal to a transistor. A transistor is here, transistor, and the transistor will be activated on the alarm here. So I'm going to demonstrate it in practice. It's working. So the switch is on. You can control it by your switch here. If you don't want it, you can put it off. When the sound, or you have discovered that the rain is already, you have removed what you have to remove outside, you can put off with the switch here. So I'm going to test it. There's a sensor at the top of the roof. Everything is ready. This is our small house, small constructed house. So I'm going to put the drops of water, since as a cartoon, so you can get what. So I'll put drops of water. See, indicate that rain is falling. It has detect the presence of water. That's why you can hear the alarm from the buzzer. The buzzer gives the alarm that there's water, rain has started falling. And in your house now, inside your house, there's an LED bulb there. That's the bulb inside your house that is indicating, while the buzzer is outside with the sound boom, indicating, so giving noise that there are droplets, rain, water. So in your house there's an LED which automatically comes on. That's the LED. This is your door. Yes, a small house. There's the red light there that is indicating that rain is falling. Maybe you might be in the house, you might not know. Some people have houses that it's difficult to detect when rain may be falling outside and they are not aware of it. So this project helps you to detect, especially when you put something important outside for sun to hit and you want to remove it when the rain is falling. So after you have done so, you can quietly come and put off the switch so that the noise will not continue, because as long as water keeps dropping on this sensor up here, for now it's a razor blade, but there are sensors for that. Come and put off the switch. You are done.